Could you tell I was going to fall for her, as we sat by you and watched the moon reflect off of you? Should I have taken your silence as a warning? You've seen couples walk around your shores. Do you know which ones are circling love and which ones are aimlessly wandering? Can you tell which ones have just begun and which have nowhere left to go? How do you and the moon bring out the best in each other every night? How do you get through the winter knowing that you won't be able to reflect her anymore? Are you worried she won't be there when spring comes? When I get cold, I worry I will never be warm again, that she won't be there when I return. Tell me how it's done, how you reflect her so well.
You were there when I was born, standing outside my nursery window watching. You were there when I learned how to ride a bike, towering over me and helping block the wind from knocking me over. You were there when I got into Dartmouth, blocking the sun from my eyes as I looked up into the sky in disbelief. When I got here, you were waiting for me, to remind me where I came from, to show me a new way of changing with the seasons, to teach me how short seasons really are. I wish I could be as grounded as you, Mr. Tree, to be a sanctuary for life, to use both rain and sunlight to grow, to not fall down in a storm. What do I do, Mr. Tree, to be like you?
Babbling, grumbling, bubbling. What do you have to say to me, Mr. River? We've had an interesting relationship, you and I. You see me compete on the rowing team. You see me jump and swim with my friends. You see me gazing. What do you have to say to me, Mr. River? How does your water keep flowing, knowing you may never see the same shores again? You see me win and lose. You see me grow closer to my best friends. You see me contemplate my identity, the Dartmouth experience. What do you have to say to me, Mr. River? You've done this before, Mr. River, so please answer me. How do I leave this place?